Okay, so welcome to the solution video for the Codeforces round 860 37 problem. We have given an M. So for the M days, there is going to happen a lottery, and for the M days, we are given an N participant, and we need to choose a participant. Like we need to give a list of the participants that are not overlapping or colliding, right? And the criteria for choosing it, if someone, let's say wins on this one, so let's say we select 4, तो 4 आगे वाले upcoming days में choose नहीं हो पाएगा, so that is there. Let's say we take 8 is the winner, then 8 is not going to participate in the upcoming days, right? Cool. Same happens for, like, let's say 1 or 2 participate, so 1 or 2 participate, then they could not be on the next day, so they did, like 1 or 2 participated and they are also coming. We need someone different, right? That should not be we need to give a list that is different, but we are getting the same, so it's a -1 here. Now let's say 1 participated on the day 1, now the second day 1 also participates, so that is not a right answer. For this, let's say 2 participate on the first day, and this participated 1 participated on the second day, so that is not colliding. 2 and 1 are different, right? On the third day 4 participated, the 2 1 4 that are also different, and also 3 on the fourth day, so 3 is not colliding with 2 1 and 4, right? So that is the answer here. So now let's understand this with using how we need to approach. So this is the first example, like first test case. So how we are going to do this. So what we need to do is, like, we need to hash this, we need to hash all the arrays, and we need to remove duplicates, and also, like, not really duplicates, we need to choose the unique one. So let's say I hash the first array, I hashed the first array shit I hashed the first array and marked it as the first day. So for 1 2 4 8, so for 1 2 4 8 it's 1, like in the map it's marked as 1. Now 2 comes on, अब मैप में ऑलरेडी 2 है, जिसका जिसका क्या है 1 है, सो आई मार्क्ड इट एज 2. यहाँ के सारे मार्क्ड एज 2, राइट? सो यहाँ का जो 2 था वो अब जो उसका किया है वो 2 हो गया. 9 दैट इज़ ऑल्सो 2 एंड 1. सो यहाँ के जो ये दोनों हैं नंबर्स, इनका क्या हो गया, ये दे आर नाउ मार्क्ड एज 2 लक्की, एंड ये दे आर स्टिल एज 1, राइट? Cool. Now for 1 and 4, now 1 and 4, for 1 I, like, for this array I am going to mark it as 3. now 1 we, like, 1 यहाँ पर भी था, यहाँ पर भी था, तो यहाँ पर मार्क क्या हो गया था, 1 2 हो गया था, राइट? क्योंकि यहाँ के सारे मार्क कर रहे थे. अब यहाँ फिर से मिला, तो ये क्या हो गया, फिर से ये वाला जो 1 है वो 3 हो गया. और 4, अब 4 यहाँ पर क्या था, 1, अब 4 हमें मिला, तो हमने क्या मार्क कर दिया इसको, 3, राइट? we marked it as 3. See, now what we got is, like, on the very first one we have 8, that is the only option we got, right? For 2, what we have only 9, right? We have 9. It's getting messy. For 3 we can either choose 1, like we can either choose 1 or we can either choose 4, right? On the, like, for 2 we also on the second we can also choose 2 here, or also 9, that also works. So what will happen, like, I can show you using the map, so you if you can see this. Cool. So after hashing, what happens, this is the map. See, so 1 is, like, marked as 3, 2 is marked as 2, and 4 is marked as 3, and 8 is, so 8 is the only option. For the second day के लिए we have 9 and we have 2, and the third day के लिए we have 1 and 4. So that's what simply we need to do. So what I'm doing here simply is, we have a map here. For the n, I'm taking the values and hashing it with the day, like for the m, and for every value I'm marking it as the particular day for that particular array. So what I got is, like, a unique values for जो collide नहीं कर रहे हैं. So we have the answer here and the visited. So I'm traversing the array, like the map, and if I didn't like visited that particular index, so id dot second is index, right? So if I didn't visited that index, like let's say in this case, so we have, for 3 we have 2 values, 1 and 4, so मुझे तो एक ही चाहिए, right? So what I will do is, if it is already, then what I need is like for 3 either I can take 1 or 4. So for that particular day id dot second, so id dot second is a day, and I'm like putting the value there and also marking this as visited, so I will not visit it again. So that's there. Also आंसर में -1 इनिशियलाइज करा था. सो व्हाट विल हैपन इज़ लाइक अगर कोई भी वैल्यू ऐसा रह गया जो मतलब जो पर्टिकुलर डे का है ही नहीं, तो उसमें -1 रह गया होगा. तो अगर -1 का काउंट ज़्यादा है एक से, क्योंकि m+1 यहाँ पर करा है मैंने, तो अगर ऐसा है तो प्रिंट -1, अदरवाइज प्रिंट द आंसर एरे. वेयर दिस इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन दिस वन, इन दिस टेस्ट केस, बिकॉज 1 एंड 2 को मैंने मार्क करा डे 1 के लिए, फिर से मेरे को 2 और 1 मिला तो मैंने उसको मार्क कर दिया 2 के लिए. तो डे 1 के लिए मेरे पास कुछ बचा ही नहीं, तो यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, एरे में -1 ज़्यादा हो गया, राइट, क्योंकि फर्स्ट डे के लिए उसे मिला ही नहीं. सो दैट्स वाई like it is not the optimal solution. It is like more like it's somehow I did it, like I thought this approach might work and it got me AC, right. Cool. So that was the like काफ़ी there might be solution, but this is what I thought. And if you really like this, like or is there something else you want to mention or sort of anything, let me know in the comments. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.